Guys, I am muted. I'm just chilling here. I just opened up the YouTube because I know some people want to chat amongst each other and stuff, and I think it's a cool way for everyone to communicate. Because I know most people from Twitter, obviously aren't in the Discord. So obviously, if you are part of Discord, we're all chatting in there. But this is also a way for, I guess, my followers and you guys to all just chat amongst players and stuff. So. I think it's a cool way. Let me know. Trying something new, seeing how it goes out. Yeah, I can talk about the Discord a bit. I can talk about the Discord. I know most people think, oh, you're promoting that, but it's not. It's just some people, I get a lot of question about every day, like, what's the difference between everything and stuff. So, I mean, it's just chilled. So, basically, guys, how it works is I can tell you, look here, I do daily recaps every single day, my weekly recaps and so on. So, let's see, from what was the start of the week? So, the third, right? The third was the first, was a Monday. So we can see what I've done is I only gave 3 alerts on Monday, and all 3 were green, which was AFMD, NVOS, and BPTH. And then on the 4th, so this Tuesday, I gave only 2 trades, and they were both green. And then Wednesday, I gave 3 trades again. 2 were green, 1 was red. And then yesterday, all 3 trades were green. Well, I sold 1 at break even, but all 3 of them were green. So on average, I used to give a bit more. I used to give around 4 to 5 alerts. I used to. Same as Hassie. I've kind of got a little bit less in terms of the alerts. I've given maybe, I think, 2 to 3 a day. It just really depends on the market. I'll be honest with you guys, myself and Hassie, we don't give pump and dumps, any of that stuff. We literally trade how we basically enter the trade. So meaning if we enter a trade, we will alert it. Otherwise, if we don't alert a trade, we will help people, members, with setups. If they ask for a ticker or something, then we just share our ideas and say, yes, it's worth entries here, wait for this break and so on. But if we do enter any trades ourselves personally, we will give it as alert. With the alerts comes the first target, the stop loss, entry, all of that kind of stuff. So everything is there pretty much for you, handed out. And then the advantage is if you join the live trading, which is from market open for the first 2 hours. Usually I do the first hour, Hassie does the second. And now Hassie's also been pretty much live trading all day. So the advantage is that if you are in the live trading, it's very simple. You get the alerts a little bit quicker, but we do type it as soon as we do enter trade for people who aren't in the live trading. So the benefit of being in the live trading is you can see my screen like this. You can understand why we're looking for trades, and just pretty much explaining through the trade and why we're looking for the setup. Not just here to give 100 trades alert a day. That's not our goal, not to give many alerts. We focus, like I said, maybe 6 total for us, and we have maybe 1 or 2 that stop us out. Right, so it's kind of just more focusing on quality than quantity. And then also the main thing is learning risk management and actually proving to you guys that if you stick to it, that is how you will become consistent, right? Like I've just shown a member, I told him if he listens to me and actually follows what I tell him, right, in terms of journaling, it literally took him the whole month, only 1 month, right? And then it took him, he started at the beginning of May to start his journals, right? And then the whole of May, he journaled all his trades. And then literally the last, I think on the 28th of May was when he started to see the consistency. So it took him 3 weeks, right, where he started to see the consistency because he was taking like 10, 15 trades a day, right? He was going with all kinds of trade size. There was no kind of plan to his trading. So what I mentioned to him is I said, stick to 5 trades a day, right? Stick to 2 minimum and have your 5% stop loss on every trade, 5% first target, and stay consistent with that. And then you started to see the results. And then from the 28th of May till yesterday, he's been green 6 out of 7 days. So he's had one red day and he's over $1,000. He's making back all his losses. So it's just very consistent. That is all I care about. We care about members because the most important thing is what people don't teach you is risk management. If you don't understand how to manage your risk, you can't win in this game, right? Everyone knows how to trade. Everyone knows when to buy and sell, or not to buy and sell, but when to basically what support and resistance is and when to buy. But people don't understand, right, how much they're going to lose into a trade, how much they're going to win, and those things. We understand when I teach people in the Discord, myself and Hassi, okay? We say, when you enter a trade with $1,000, all our members know if they're going with $1,000, they have their 5% stop loss. So they know going to every trade, they're only going to lose $50. That's it. They're not going to lose $1,000, right? They're not going to lose 100% of their money. It's impossible, right? Because we teach to manage their risk. That is the most important thing. Everyone can trade. I can teach my strategy. I tell members every single day. I give my reasonings every single day. All my reasonings, all my secrets are there. It's easy to teach people how to do that. But to manage your risk and your emotions is a completely different side. That is why most traders fail, right? Can you join? Yeah, you can join it when you want, bro. Yeah, you can join it when you want. We're going to start to do a wait list, though. We're going to implement a wait list soon. Made monthly feedback. Wait, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, anytime. Yes, Discord is worth it. Yes, Sophia. So Sophia recently joined, and we're slowly starting to teach her risk management because she's taking too many trades. Too many trades. Love the community. Let's go, Ron. I seen that on Twitter. Was he in the, for the whole time? No. Discord's been open for 2 years. I think he's been a member for like 4 months, around there. But it's really just what I've been telling people the last 2 months is starting to journal. If people start to journal, they will be able to understand why they're getting into trades, right? And from there, you write down why you're getting in the trade. So for instance, if you're taking 5 trades for the day, right? That's your maximum. If you take the 5 trades, you can identify what your green trades are and what your red trades are. Okay, so for instance, if you're taking 5 trades for the day, all right, that means you're taking 5 for the week. 25 for the week, 5 times 5, right? So let's say 25 is the total amount of trades you've taken for the week. Then from there, you can look at your journal and be like, okay, which ones are my red trades? Okay, maybe you bought, all your red trades are because, let's say for instance, it was in the demand zone, okay, and you lost all your trades on the reds in the demand zone. That means moving forward, eliminate all your trades going in on the demand zone, right? Don't trade the demand zone and focus on what setups are working. Let's say maybe if the stock breaks above a resistance level and then you start to enter your trades and you're making money off that and you're profitable, focus on those setups. And then you eliminate the demand zone because it doesn't work for you. Not all strategies work for other people due to your emotions and all kind of personalities, right? So eliminate what doesn't work for you and focus on what's green. That's it. That's why I don't use all these EMAs, indicators, all of this stuff. I literally focus on the falling wedge, demand zone, pretty much the same thing every time that I show on Twitter. It's pretty consistent with my stuff, right? So you can see that. But it's about journaling your trades. Not for one day, not for 1 week, not for 1 month. It takes time, guys. 2, 3, 4 months, even a year. It just depends. The more consistent and time you put in is the better you will become. That's for sure. What's the Discord? The Discord is run by myself and Hassi, Tigerline Trades. This is the link here. I'm just explaining what we do in the Discord and pretty much going over some of that stuff. We'll start in like 10 minutes, but I'm just chilling right now, going over some questions about it. Because I do get a lot of questions about the Discord. Whenever I'm awake, they're there. Yeah, we're up pretty much all the time. Like I live in Dubai, so right now it's 4:30. So I go to bed around lunchtime US. So like 9:30 p.m. I go to bed here. And then from there, Hassi kind of takes over since he's in the UK. And then I wake up pretty much for pre-market. Pre-market starts here literally at 12 o'clock lunchtime. But I start at 3 p.m., which is like an hour and 20 minutes ago. Actually, Mo, could I have the link for Monday? Yeah, it's right there. It's in our Discord. The Discord link is literally in our bio. It's the WAP link. So if you want to join, it's there. Right, let's see. Let me... But yeah, any other questions about it, let me know. Feel free to ask. Because we get a lot of questions about it. Oh, one question someone asked, what's the difference between the 1 month and the 3 month? So basically, it's very simple. The 1 month is $80, and then the 3 month is simply just $190, but it works out to be $63 a month instead of 80. That's the only difference. So just works out to be cheaper if you do 3 month. They were knifing every pump. We were knifing every pump recently. I don't know what that means. Seriously, I've learned so much. Great, man. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Love to hear it. Also, guys, one thing to note. I don't care about any stocks. I'm not emotionally attached to anything. I'm not in this hype with game AMC. I couldn't care less about it. I literally am just sharing chart setups that people are asking me, right? And I'm giving my technical analysis on it. That is it. Doesn't mean I'm in the stock. It doesn't mean anything, right? I'm giving my point of view to help you guys to see, right, what the potential of these stocks are. It's up to you if what you guys decide to do, if you want to buy or sell. If I end up buying the stock, people will know. There will be in the Discord. In the Discord, I mention what stock I am in. That is it. Twitter, I do not mention what I'm in. Because a lot of times, if I was to mention I'm in a stock, I don't have that big of a following, but I do have people who follow me, right? And there is a likelihood that someone would probably try and short or something like that. So that is why I don't post my stuff, right, on Twitter. Any alerts that I get in. Let's go. People got in Vero. Oh my goodness. Hey, look, the target's here. Who joined at the start of the stream? I put the target. Nice, nice, nice. Vero, nice. I knew this thing was going to run. I lost on it twice this morning. Twice on it. I just knew it was going to go up. It's just the volume came in later, all over the show now with this GameStop, AMC, all that kind of stuff's going on right now. So that is why everything's just a little bit all over the place. Congrats, Asta. I don't know if you're in here, bro, but well done. Anyone looking at AMD? AEMD. Let me have a look at this thing. I'll slowly go over some plays here, guys, but any other general questions about, just doesn't have to be about the Discord. It can be about trading, anything myself and Hassie do, anything about the Twitter posts, something, just a general questions. I'm here because I know a lot of people just literally ask me about a stock or a post about any ticker. I prefer answering questions that are more stock related, like technical related, or just anything kind of outside of just asking about a company or something. Because I don't really care about the company. I don't know anything about any company that I trade, unless it's like Tesla or something. AEMD is looking good. But we're gonna try and grow this Twitter, YouTube, because I know there's a lot of people that are interested in it and like it. So I'll just, maybe like 15 minutes before, I will open it up, and then you guys can just chat and things. It'll be cool. Everyone can just meet each other and that. The amount of times I've been too scared to invest when you say to and I've missed. The best thing to do, Ethan, is just start with whatever money you're willing to lose. So if you can only afford to make a trading account $100, start with $100 and then simply just split that $100 into $50, right? So use $50 and then split that into 5 trades for the day. So $10 a trade, and then work on your consistency through there. So you're only making $1 or $2, $3 a day, but it's just, you're trying to get into the trades and focus on trying to build it. That's all. The amount of times I've been scared, cashed out twice. Let's go, Paul. Was losing too much. I just held. I knew it was going to go. Took my little 1%. Yeah, that thing. I'm telling you, it's like this kind of play. Like I trade pre-market every day, and I know how it is. I know these plays will run, but it's just the thing is, I don't know how much lower, right, it's going to go. I don't know how much lower it's going to go. That's why I cut my losses and just move on. If I start to see the reversal, which I'm very good at, that is where I start to look for my entries. Because cut my losses, I don't care. I know that if I find the reversal, it will probably reverse. Like, look at this. If you find the reversal here, right, look, if you literally entered here, let's say even here, this high, that's a 15% move, right? Or even if you entered around here, let's say before the break, which is 23%, right? So identifying that is good. People just get too emotional saying, oh, I need to hold on, it's going to go, right? That's where you need to just cut it and move on. People in Discord know I cut my losses and move on. I don't care. I literally don't care if I lose. I know I will lose in all my trades 25% of the time. Are there any, if you have very, no, I never, guys, I never average up or down on my trades, day trading. No, I do not. I literally go in with the same amount of trading size every time. That's it. So if I go in with if my account is $1,000, right? All I do is I use 25% of my account maximum per trade. So yeah, $1,000 if is my account size, I will go in with $250. From there, I will have my 3% stop loss and my 5% first target. That's it. If I lose my 3% on my trade, I don't care. I move on to the next play. That is it, right? If I lose 2 trades in a row, I'm done for the day. I don't usually lose 2 trades in a row, but if I do, I just stop trading. It's that simple. And members know they have to be disciplined. If they took those 2 trades with me, we have to stop. It sucks, yeah, but we just come back tomorrow. That's kind of how it is. Might be a silly question, but could you explain the downward angle? Yeah, I have a seminar on it. I mean, not a seminar, sorry. I have a flashcard thing in the Discord, but I'll just post it on Twitter for you guys to understand. It's very simple. Look, the stock was currently in a downtrend, meaning it's bearish, okay? You don't buy when a stock's bearish. If it breaks above, which it did here, okay? If it closes above, that confirms that there is a breakout, meaning it's going from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. So what you want to do is, once that candle closes, you look for your entry and there is a higher probability it will go up. Keep your stop loss after entering. But you enter once the candle closes above, not a wick above. Like, this is not a candle closure above. That's a rejection there, right? Look, here, a rejection. You have a rejection here, right? A rejection there. And then you have another rejection here and then another rejection here. Once the candle closed above, you can see once that candle closed above, what happened was it pushed up, right? Ignore this is an 8 a.m. candle, so just ignore it. But I will just post I have a step-by-step thing on it so you guys can see. Is it too much to like brief about options? I personally don't do options. It's not my like specialty, I guess, but we do have option traders in the Discord and we do have an options channel as well. But I don't do options. It's pretty much, you just want to bet. It's basically predicting if your stock goes up and down. If you're right, you make money. That's really kind of how it is in a very easy sense. There's premium and all that, but I don't want to get into it too much. I'm not too familiar with it. Any tips drawing good trend lines? I try draw trend lines compared to your Twitter posts, and mine are always different. The best thing to do is just, you can focus, just use all the charts, like practice on charts. All these top gainers, the time frame doesn't matter if you're just trying to practice the trends. If you're just trying to draw the trend lines, because that doesn't matter. But the main focus is just identifying the charts. Like, look at the charts and you will start to practice more and more, and then you'll be able to get it easier and easier. Like for me, I can see where a falling wedge is before even drawing the lines because I'm so used to it. But what I recommend is just go through all the charts. Whether you do on the 1 minute chart, 20-minute daily, it doesn't matter for now. The main focus is just to identify what the downtrend looks like, uptrend and all that stuff, right? So that is what I personally would do for now. So just make it easy for yourself, because if you can understand the simple things of understanding support, resistance, price action, and then this, like basically the trend lines where you can see if a downtrend breaks, there's a high probability to go up and those things, that then you can trade. It's a lot easier. But you don't need to know all the MACD, RSI, all that BS. It's by the time you know all of that stuff, what's happened with the crossover, what the RSI is, all that, you're going to miss the trade. It's a waste of time. I've tried it. I've done it. It's not worth it for day trading. Maybe swing trading, yeah, but not day trading. Which brokers would you recommend for these plays? Webull is the best broker in my opinion. Webull, Robinhood there, T212. It just depends where you are. But if you're in the US, highly recommend Webull. I'm not sponsored by them. I wish I was, and I wish they had it in Dubai, but very, very good broker. They have everything. I've never had an issue when I was in the US. Yeah, very simple. If you have a PDT rule, simply switch from a margin account to a cash account, meaning if you use a cash account, you can use all your money and do as many trades as you want. So if you have $1,000 in your cash account, right, you can use it all, right? But if you use the $1,000 in one trade, you'll have to wait tomorrow to use it again. So what I suggest is if you have $1,000 in your account, right, split that into, let's say, 5 trades. Okay, so that means you're going with $200 per trade. So simply, all you need to do is go $200 per trade. And then from there, you'll be able to wait the next day for the money to settle. But I would not full port one trade with $1,000. So happy I came across you. Thanks, Najif. I appreciate it. Thank you. Just signed up. Let's go, James. James, today, just to give you a heads up, and those who are joining, I know we've got a few that just joined. Okay. Fridays is usually just a chill day. We don't really, Hassie doesn't trade on Fridays, but he helps with setups. I only trade for an hour after open since I live in Dubai. My weekend's pretty much started and I have other commitments. Once market opens, I have to go play football. But we're here for an hour. All the members and everyone's there. I just recommend, James, to go through that start here section. Just go through that start here section. Watch the intro video. And then it'll be very easy for you to understand how the Discord works. But it's very easy. It's very simple to navigate through it. Once you go through that, it'll be straightforward in how it works. I mean, the alerts are there and stuff. But yeah, if you have any questions, just message myself or Hassie. Just bear in mind, unfortunately, we're going through an area where there's a lot of scammers and stuff, and they're messaging our members. I will not ask anyone. This goes for Twitter as well. None of us will ask you to join anything about Forex, nothing about Telegram, no WhatsApp, none of that BS, all right? So you guys are all smart enough to know that, but just giving you guys a heads up for the future. Some people, is just look at the name. My name is Tigerline Trades. I don't have anything random in there. Say a stock rallies, you've taken some profits, starts to stall. Are there any particular signs you look to add more in a trade? G-Money, the best way I do it, bro, and I tell everyone is, my game plan is I never average up or down in trade. So like I said, if I go in with $1,000 in my trade, right, my game plan is if it hits my first target, which is 3 to 5%, I don't hold for 50, 60%. So meaning if I go in with $1,000, all right, my first target is 3 to 5%. Okay. So if it hits my first target, I will sell 50% of my position at my first target. And then to manage my risk, all I do is I move my stop loss up from that 3% stop loss. I'll move it to around just below my entry or just at my entry. So meaning if the stock comes down and it hits my entry, I pretty much stopped out for the remainder of the 50%. So, and since I day trade, I'm getting into another trade after. So it's better to make $1 on a stock than lose that 3 to 5%, you know? So I never average up or down because you never know, especially with these volatile stocks. As good as my technical analysis is and as good as I think I am, the market is not always going to be in your favor. So that's why I just stay consistent with my trade size. And if the market's not good, I just trade half the size. So I just try and do that. I'm realistic with my trading. I'm never going to try and average down, to be honest. Welcome guys. Welcome Fret. Welcome. Lyft has a nice trendline break. I'll have a look now. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'm just going to go get some water. Right, I'm back. Okay, let's go through some charts. Vero is looking good. Vero should push up. Vero is looking good. Here's your next level on Vero, right here. It's 190. So you can do this check. So just copy the trend line like this. I just do it to be like, I don't know. I'm a OCD freak. Try and make it as clean as possible. So there. What is this? Vero room 2 190. So that's what it is. Well, I haven't gone through any Twitter. There's people spamming. Yeah, guys, I know most of you guys don't spam, but if people spam, I'm just gonna block them. People try to spam me with all this stupid stuff. I don't care. Please do not spam. Please. It's annoying. Needs downtrend break. I'm just gonna go through some Twitter things. You guys can post some tickers and questions. I'll go through them in a minute. Also, like up the stream, guys. I don't know how many people we have. Wow, 115 people. Let's go. 36 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 60, 70 likes. 60, 70 likes. Let's go. Okay, let me go through some charts here. MITQ. This one was a pump and dump, I think. This one ran last week, MITQ. No bueno on this. No, nothing on this. No volume. MITQ is not good. No, no, no. Low volume. Guys, a lot of times you'll see now the market, there's not much moving. Everyone's waiting for this game stuff. Let's have a look. What is game actually doing? Yeah, it's coming down even more. I can almost put my house on it that this thing's going to halt at open. Up or down, I wish I knew, but it's going to halt. It's going to be a crazy one for that. This is probably the best play right now, Vero. Let me look what else, what other movers are there. Oh, BCDA. Oh no, BCDA is here. Yeah. Gurn. I really like Gurn. Gurn's in this demand zone. Check this out. Or not yet. Let's even come down into it. Gurn. This is a Geron Corpse. Geron Corpse. I don't know what the hell, how to spell it. Demand zone. I'm just going to say, I'll wait for a couple more people to join because I know we're going to get more people in here. I will just explain my thoughts and process on game because everyone's going to ask me. Right? And I'll be brutally honest. You're probably not going to hear it, but I will tell you what I think. Right? So Gurn is wait for downtrend break. That is it. Meaning if the stock closes above, the candle closes above that white line, that is your entry point. Nothing else. Right. Let me see. Let me go through some things here. Lift, VS. VS is right here. VS is just in this demand zone right now. See this? It's just chilling. Nothing on this for now, personally. Maybe above $2 or something like 210 around there. What time frame to use? I trade on the 5 minute. Right now, you can see 5 minute. I day trade 5 minute. Works best for me. It's not the best time frame, right? There's millions of time frames you can use, but for day trading, 5 minute works best for me. It's enough confirmation, and it's also not too long of a time frame either. Let's go, Najif. I'll see you in there. I'll see you in there. PRST, this one's moving up. Same with this. Wait for the downtrend break. So break above 0.1, 10 cents, then maybe you could look for an entry. L-Fly, weed play. I don't know. I haven't seen any of the other weed plays going, but I know it's up 21%. This is a very easy setup to do, what you need to do. Look, see these crazy wicks? I don't know if this is just on Weeble, but just to be safe, you can use, let's see, what is this? I would wait for maybe 275 break and close above, but I don't like these wicks. I know it's probably just on Weeble, not on TradingView and other brokers, but yeah, 275 close above, then you could look for an entry on this L-Fly, but I don't see anything on it for now. Smash the like. Smash it, guys. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Peggy is going to run with FFIE and Kraken and Game. They are all the memes. FFIE. Peggy is still bullish. I expect to break out, to go up. TPHS flew. TPHS. Nice. But it's not over $1. No. I'll keep this here. Let me have a look. I have these levels on it. Big level broken. So look, here's your next resistance. So this has, literally look left. This has clean range all the way to 0.3750. If this candle closes above this on the 4 hour, higher probability will go up. So it needs to close above. So you have to wait whatever this, how long for this 4 hour to close? I think 1 hour. No, 45 minutes. No, somewhere around there. Yeah, 45 minutes. So TPHS, room to 0.375. Right, so that's all that means. How's Peggy? TPS hold for drop or up. Okay, here is my prediction on game. Right, GameStop is being manipulated. Okay, that means, right? That means that technicals go out the window. Right, maybe technicals. Right, if anything, how they would work is the support and resistance and all those things on a larger time frame, like maybe the daily levels, right? But it won't be on the 5 minute and 10, 15 minute chart. It probably won't respect those levels, okay? With this kind of volume, the stock is going to go all over the place, all right? You will see how crazy volatile it is. So predicting if the stock is going to go up or down is just completely whatever happens between the two, right? Between the buyers and sellers. Obviously, there's a lot of options going on as well, which is going to move the market. There's going to be a lot of manipulation with this. So there is nothing guaranteed, right? We've all been in this situation. We've all been where we think it's going to go crazy and it comes down, and we all think it's going to go down when it goes up, right? Yes, I understand this guy is pretty much always pushing. I mean, I know he's got a big following on Reddit, or I don't really know too much about him, and he's a very good trader, or however he's been doing it. But regardless of that, nothing is guaranteed. No one should be putting their life savings or anything stupid like that, because that is just not the way you trade. It is a pump and dump. I don't care what anyone says. It is a pump and dump stock. It's not trading based off technicals, nothing like that. Okay, the stock is literally getting manipulated. It's getting pumped through Reddit. All this, banks are trying to short it. There's a huge fight between everyone. Okay, so the stock is going to be all over the place. Trying to know when to buy and sell, what PT, all of this is nothing, zero. We don't know. It's impossible to know, literally impossible. So I'm telling you, realistically, that is what is probably going to happen. We don't know, right? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? I don't know. At the moment, looking at the larger time frame on game, it is expected to go up, right? It is expected to go up. The stock is up over, it was up over 100%. Yes, it's coming down. It will probably pull back down into around this $28 level, okay? And then it might run. But I don't know what's going to happen when this guy goes live, and if he does go live, what he's going to do and how it's going to work and all those things, right? We don't know. Those are the questions we want to know. But there's nothing we can tell. No one can tell you what price the stock will go to. So you need to keep that in mind, please. Because when people ask me what price is a stock going to go to, right? They know I just literally block them, or I just tell them, give them a stupid answer and say, I don't know, I'll ask my crystal ball or pet tiger, whatever, right? We don't know, guys. We don't know. No one knows. But that's my prediction. I don't know what will happen. That is my prediction. Is in bad shape. I mean, look, it's going up and down. That's how, literally what it is. It's just very, very volatile. Hey, Vero. Who's in Vero? Vero. I like Ibio. Yeah, me too. Ibio is a very, very nice setup. I like it. I'll do a thing on it probably this week. Good deal. I'll probably just watch and get familiar with Discord today. Yeah, no worries, James. Just get familiar with it, because you'll see it's pretty relaxed. I give maybe one alert if I can, because I trade for an hour. But you'll see how it works. You'll see. Just join the live if you can. It'll be sent like out 10 minutes before open. Then you can join. But yeah, please, no one gets attached to this GameStop, AMC, all of that stuff. Put in money you're willing to lose, like $1,000 or whatever people can. That's it. Don't try and put stupid money in there, because you're going to be trying to take loans out, all that kind of BS. The whales sucking newbies into chasing. Yeah, exactly. It's all over Reddit, all that stuff. I literally couldn't care less about it. Move on to the next. Who cares? Focus on the ones that matter. Exactly. Look, my focus is on the top movers. That's it. The reason why everyone's talking about Game and AMC is because they're the top movers. Remember FFIE cracking them? Everyone's talking about them because they're the movers. That's simply how it is. The market, that is how it works. How long have you been trading? Since like COVID started. Well, no, just around COVID, like the whole Game, AMC, that's kind of when I started. I literally just made a Twitter account for fun to learn stock market, and then kind of just went from there, to be honest. SYTA. Wow, who got in Vero? Vero. Hassie gave Vero. Let's go. Hassie, you are a legend. Let's go. Oh, Hassie's going to stream it, guys. Hassie, are you in here? In YouTube. On YouTube. Let's go. Discord are in it. Nice. Didn't even know. ASTS. ASTS. Not much volume. See, like playing a stock like this, your focus, right? I'm assuming you guys are here to make money. So how can you make money in the market? By focusing on the plays that give you volume and move. I'm assuming you want to day trade and all those things, right? Focus on the plays that are moving. That's it. Go to the top gainers right here. This is the link. Go on this and focus on these. The ones that I'm pretty much talking about. Hassie's gonna stream it. Hassie right in there. Just mention it. Hassie's gonna be streaming the Kitty thing. I think he's gonna put a link for everyone on Google Meets for everyone on Twitter as well. So join it. I won't be joining because I will be out. I will be out, but I will retweet it and you guys must join. It's just gonna be, if you guys want to just join and chat, it'll be cool. 960 break needed. What is this? ASTS needs 960 break for continuation. Other than that, nothing. Yeah, 12 noon Eastern. So if you guys want to join, nice. Join. Inveru 150. Wow, nice. What's it at? I mean, when the stream started, it was over here, and I just said that was the target, and then I looked and I drew this, and then everyone in, and then Hassie was in it. I didn't even realize. Lovely, great minds think alike. ASNS Vero goes straight up. MFI. I am a little bit sick, guys. You can probably hear it, so excuse the coughing. MFI, nothing on this. Down 12%, down 15% yesterday. Yeah, nothing. Fridays, your goal is to make money in the first hour. That is it. And then get out of there. Get out. What's happening? MFI, BNAD looks like it's going to drop back. BNet, it's a larger time frame, no? Yeah, it's just in this demand zone right here. It needs to hold this level. Right, 0.25 is your support. Let's see. Silo with the news. Silo. This one always seems to run with news. Oh, it's not even up. Nothing on it there. Wow, great call on Vero. Nice. Yeah. If you miss it, don't worry, because what does come out under that volatility? That's correct. FFI, crazy volume again. Yeah, they all follow. They're crazy. Crazy. There's another Hassie in here. We have an imposter. That is jokes. VS. Yeah, VS is nothing. This thing's getting ragged, man. What a sad time. Gun, you're waiting for this downtrend break. Look, you need the candle to close above like this. If it doesn't and it comes down, leave it. Closure above. Once that closes, enter. You have to wait. 5-minute chart is what I use. Someone's going to ask. FFIE. Yeah, FFIE is this level here. Look, you have a huge resistance here. Check. This daily chart, look, there's a gap fill. So you can see what will happen on that. Peggy, TPHS. This doesn't look too bad either. But I don't play sub $1 plays, but I help with setups and that on these kind of setup, on these trades. You open the chart in live. Oh shit, MITQ, that's my bad. Wait, no, MITQ had nothing. Bearish. Nothing on MITQ. The thing's down 33%, 11% today. Avoid it. MITQ, bearish. Just going to be brutally honest and just tell you what the trend is, because there's nothing else I can really do. My first ever ask. Let me give you your first ever answer from the mighty Tiger Trader. Here's your SPWR. This is going to follow. This is literally just going to follow game. That's the only reason why it's running. Well, it was running, but you see they're all down. I'm not going to be focusing on game and AMC. I couldn't care less about it. So members in the Discord, we ain't trading it. Unfortunately, we ain't trading it today. We're making money on other plays. Remember what happened yesterday? We thought VRAX was going to run, and which one did we take? We took FGE, and I think, and it ran nuts. Remember? I think it ran like 20% more. It was insane. That is my prediction on this. ASTS. I've been over ASTS, but I'm assuming you just joined. ASTS is nothing. Above 960. 960 is your entry. 960 is your entry. Right, what else? Some other questions. Game. Yeah, everyone's game. Everyone's on game. VS is nothing. See, this is an issue with people. Look, I guarantee you, people are still in this trade. Guarantee you. I don't know why people are in it. I have no idea. Cut your losses and move on. Yes, I also lost on this trade, but I'm not dwelling on it. Right? I don't care. Doesn't matter. We all lose. You need to wait for the downtrend to break. Simply cut your losses, 5%, whatever you decide, and then just go on that. Go from there. Game is here. Game is here. Look. This is your 4-hour game. That's my prediction. We will see. It's coming down to the mountain right now. Be careful, game filed 75 minutes. Yeah, I saw it, Terry. Thanks, bro. I'm just sharing the technical setup though, what people ask, because they always going on about it. LPA is absolutely nothing. I don't know why people are going on about the stock. It is down 26%. Look at this chart. It's ugly. No volume. Nothing. No. Why not play $1? Yeah, I just don't like them. I don't play. I personally don't trade sub $1. I don't know. I feel like they're that price for a reason. A lot of times they drop offerings. Giving also, because since I trade based on giving alerts as well, it's very difficult for me to like type everything 0.0 whatever and all that. So I just avoid it. And I don't really trade well though. Hassie is very, very good at sub $1. Like very good. He gives all the alerts on the sub $1 plays. But I help with setups in the Discord. I'll be like, yeah, you guys can grab this sub $1 play, whatever. But that's about it. I don't trade it though. I don't know. I don't know. Don't do well. Ape Life, get out of here. Get out of here, you spammers. I need to block the spammers. How do I do it? I need to do it. Timestamps. Oh no. That's jokes. You generally talk so much sense. Yeah, I'm just trying to be honest, bro. Just gotta be honest. CNSP. These guys are spamming. The funniest thing is the people in the Discord our own Discord is coming in and trying to raid the live. That's funny. CNSP, there's not much volume. You could wait for a downtrend, but yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. Sorry. $800 on VS and out. Done for the day. Thanks for the advice on the cash cow and how to use it. No worries. No problem. Did you get your levels? How are you looking on it? Vero. So look, my prediction. Vero broke above it. Broke above. Maybe retest and go up. Let's see if I'm correct. If not, then I don't know. Chill. It's a prank. Any others you're keeping an eye on before you're done today? All on the left here, on the left-hand side. Brendan, you see it? They're all the top gainers. Like the blue ones are pretty much the stocks, or are the stocks of $1. The orange are just sub $1 plays. Purple are just like kind of plays I'm watching, and then orange, green are just other plays as well. So the blue and the orange are the main plays. Blue ones are above $1. Orange are sub $1. Kit. I think Kit runs with the other plays, right? With the meme stocks or not? Ooh, Kit is moving though. It's breaking a downtrend. If this closes like this on the 5 minutes, so 3 minutes like this, you can look for an entry. Looks nice though. So Kit is breaking downtrend. You have to wait 2 minutes or whatever, however long. On that. New to Discord, is there a different stream? Yeah, there is. It's literally it's sent. So go to Fret. If you go to the in Discord, excuse me, go to Discord and then go to Premium Floor, click on that, and then go to the bottom there. It says live trading link. I will send out a live trading link. Don't worry, it will be there. In 20 minutes or so, it will be sent there, and you can click on it, and then it's just a Google Meets, and then we're all in there chatting. So it's just privately for members only, Discord members. Yeah, need streaming to open. Vero test 2.25. Here we go. Go. VS is reversing. It's trying to reverse. It's trying. It's worth entries here, to be honest. Cool, thanks. No problem. Gurn's pushing up. Looks good. Gurn is looking good. Let me go through some Twitter. Guys, if people are going to ask me when to buy or sell, I'm just going to ignore or just like the comment. There's one person on my Twitter who asks every single day about FFIE. And I say the same thing every day and they still ask. That's so funny. So above 0.55 is your entry. Nothing else. Let me have a look and see what else is moving here. BRSH. I think this is not a good stock. Let me have a look. BRSH, larger time frame. Yeah, this was a like possible falling wedge. I don't know. I don't really like this stock. It's got nothing going on for it right now. Here's your falling wedge. BRSH, falling wedge. Wow, we have a lot of new members. There's like 9 of you that joined already. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Live trading link will be sent out soon. Just watch the intro video, please. Please, please, please. Everyone go through that and it'll make sense, the Discord. Okay, Vero, who thinks it's going to go up? Gun, nothing. BCDA, nothing. Hollow, nothing. Ibio is moving. I hope this doesn't run. Kraken's looking alright. FFIE has crazy volume. Peggy, nothing. TPHS, nothing. GNS, nothing. BYND, nothing. So there's not really too much going on. Not too much going on right now. But there's all the anticipations with these, the memes. With the meme plays, everyone's watching game. Yeah, guys, like the video. We have 100 people in here. We only have 60 likes. I know there's someone who hasn't. I know there's someone who hasn't liked it. Like it. VS, can it reverse? Can we get the reversal that everybody's waiting for? Because this thing's going down too much. Here is your demand zone. Let's see. I think it will reverse, personally. I personally think that this will reverse. That is my honest opinion. Here we go. VS. In demand zone. Possible reversal. Possible reversal coming in for the mighty VS. Kit going up. Oh yeah, you guys should be in that one right now, right? Oh, it didn't close above the downtrend. You see that? No closure above equals no entries. Well, you can try and enter, but it's just high risk. There's no confirmation. Are there any good books? Study the trend patterns that you would recommend? I don't really know which books, but the best thing to do is literally go onto YouTube. You can look at books. I'm assuming you prefer books. I think the best thing is to do to Google, to be honest. I literally just went on to Google, YouTube, and I just started watching from there. I just learned the basics of technical analysis. And then I kind of went from there. You don't need to know everything, right? I don't know every single chart pattern. I don't know every candlestick pattern. I don't know any of that stuff, right? For me personally, all I do is I focus on 2 or 3 setups, and that's what I master. I focus on that and master it. That's it. That is it. Because if I can master that and I make my trading easy, that's all I need to look for, and that's how I trade. Right? That is how I do it. L-Fly. Yeah, L-Fly's alright. L-Fly. Ooh, it's looking good. I need to add this to my watches actually, but I just don't like playing these weed stocks. I don't know. It's a little bit difficult. It's breaking this level though. If there's closure above, was there closure above? If this 5-minute can close above here, definitely worth entries. If you can get a closure above here on the 5 minutes, so in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, closure above, you have literally clean range to here. Literally 336. Well, I would use $3 because that's also a psychological level. So use $3 first. So you can get maybe like a 7% move on this and then all the way up. But yeah, it needs to close above. Closure above equals entries. L-Fly. L-Fly. Closure above equals entries. That is my suggestion. Okay, I'm going to go to the Discord. Made some profit on TBH Vero. Took your advice and made sure I wasn't too greedy. Yeah, no worries, bro. Well done. It's just starting to get consistent with it. You can't win these 100% movers that everyone tries to tell everyone, which is BS. What's going on here? You guys are nuts. Hodl. Ibio moving, great call. Not a great call because I'm not in it. But yeah, nice. Larger time frame setup, perfect for a breakout. Should run. I like it a lot. Okay, top plays are L-Fly, Vero, VS. Yeah, VS looks good. Gun is looking alright. It needs to break this downtrend's a bit weird on it. This is your downtrend here. So nothing really on that. BCDA, nothing. I'm not interested in BCDA. Hollow, nothing. IBO is moving. That's about it. Game AMC, like I said, I'll update you guys on it. Right, I'll update on it, but I'm not going to be trading this. I'm not trading on it. I don't care. Do you look at level 2? I personally don't look at level 2 because I tried to do it when I was first trading and it used to fake me out and all these kind of things. So I know from trading for a long time, psychological levels is usually where the big orders are. So $1, $2, $3.50, $2.50, all those is where the big orders are. And that's where people usually try and buy to break above it or it gets rejected. So I personally don't buy on I buy on psychological levels. I never try and buy below psychological level. Sometimes it just really depends on the volume, but yeah, that's kind of how I'm at. I removed it from my watching list. Yeah, Gurn had good news. Gurn had good news. Guys, I could not have made this any more clear to anyone. I literally gave this for $3.99 on Lfly. Who got in? Literally, who got in? See? It's like magic. It's like magic. So look, if you entered the trade when it closed above, you got a nice 12%. That means you should, right? You should have taken at least 5%. If you're up 5%, sell 50% of your position. Literally, that is how easy it is. Closure above equals confirmation of a push-up, breakout. Okay, enough. I'm going to the Discord. Members, I will see you guys in there. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. 8 for life. No, I'm kidding. Here, there's a link for the Discord if you want to join live trading link. I will see everyone in there. Thanks for joining, guys. I think it was a great stream. I'm going to start streaming probably like 10-20 minutes earlier, and I'll just chat with you guys. And then Hassi is live streaming today with the the Roaring Kitty guy. He's just going to be streaming pretty much the same time. In my opinion, yeah, just be careful with that kind of trade, those trades. But yeah, when he goes live, when Hassi goes live, I'll link it to you. Vero, I expect it to go up. We'll see what it does do, though. All right. Have a great day, guys. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.